Hey there, drivers! Are you tired of missing crucial moments on the road or worrying about accidents without proof? Today, we're diving into the best one Vantrue dashcam that's taking the US market by storm. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just want peace of mind, this dashcam offers crystal clear footage, smart features, and easy installation. Stick around because we'll review 5 top Vantrue dashcams, compare their features, pros, and cons, and even share real customer feedback so you know exactly which one is right for you. Don't miss this ultimate dashcam buying guide. Vantrue N4 Triple Dashcam. Pros: triple camera coverage, 1440p front recording, infrared night vision, parking mode. 3. Vantrue X4 4K Ultra HD Dashcam. Pros: 4K resolution, super wide-angle lens, GPS logging, loop recording. That's it, folks. These best one Vantrue dashcams are perfect for anyone who wants to protect their car, capture unforgettable journeys, or stay covered in case of accidents. Each model has its strengths, so pick the one that suits your needs best. If this video helped you find your next dashcam, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and share this video with friends and family who drive every day. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab the best deals directly from Amazon. Drive safe, record smart, and we'll see you in the next review.